Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, in our 8th video in the I-94 series, we're heading west, beginning at mile marker 59 in Buse Township, Minnesota. Buse Township was organized in 1870 and named for Ernest Buse, a pioneer settler. The township had a population of 690 as of the 2000 census. Here, I-94 has both U.S. Highway 52 and U.S. Highway 59 running concurrent. At the next on-ramp, we will also have Minnesota State Highway 210 join us for a few miles. We enter the city of Fergus Falls, the county seat of Otter Tail County. The falls from which the city gets its name were discovered by Joe Whitford, a Scottish trapper, in 1856 and promptly named in honor of his employer, James Fergus. It is not known whether Fergus ever visited the city, but Whitford did not live to see the city develop, as he was killed during the 1862 Dakota War in western Minnesota. In 1867, George B. Wright was at the land office at St. Cloud and found Whitford's lapsed claim, purchased the land, and built what is now the Central Dam in downtown Fergus Falls around 1871. After Wright died in 1882, his son Vernon moved from Boston to Minnesota and took over his father's interests in the town. Vernon Wright was also one of the two people who established the Otter Tail Power Company in 1907. The city was incorporated in the late 1870s and is situated along the dividing line between the former Great Deciduous Forest of the Northwest Territories to the east and the Great Plains to the west, in a region of gentle hills where the recent geological history is dominated by the recession of the glaciers from the last Great Ice Age, with numerous lakes and small rivers. Fergus Falls had an estimated population of 13,845 as of 2018. At exit 50, US 59 departs to the north. We crossed through the corner of Carlisle Township, organized in 1881, with a population of 219 as of the census of 2000. We enter Otter Township, organized in 1873 and named for Oscar II of Sweden. The township had a population of 218 people as of the 2000 census. We enter the city of Rothsay, which straddles the border of Otter Tail County and Wilkin County. The city has an estimated population of 479 as of 2018. A post office called Rothsay has been in operation since 1880. The city was named after a town in Scotland. Rothsay contains one property listed on the National Register of Historic Places, the 1903 J.A. Johnson Blacksmith Shop. We enter Tandberg Township, named for Christian Tanberg, a Norwegian homesteader. The township had a population of 68 as of the 2000 census. We conclude today's video here at mile 36. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, Post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media. And as always, join us for our next 504 road trip.